Here we see one of my DIY MOVA Globes, and at the moment it's powered using 3 9-watt LED bulbs, although it will happily rotate with just one if it's a little nearer to the globe. Now in the first version of this, I had to get the globe to float in liquids within the acrylic outer shell. And what I chose to do was use water so that the globe just floated in water and then had a layer of a less dense liquid, which I used lamp oil, and the combination of the two allowed the globe to float within the shell without touching it. But it had an unfortunate side effect or downside, is that there used to be a boundary layer between the oil I was using and the water, which was visible. I was being a bit silly here really, because all I have to do is weight the globe so it just floats in water at somewhere around the level of the Arctic Circle, and then I can use another liquid that dissolves in water but is less dense in water, and this I chose to use alcohol in the form of vodka. So how does this work? First of all, the globe's weighted, as I said, so it just floats at the Arctic Circle in water. Place it in the lower hemisphere of the acrylic shell, glue on the top hemisphere, fill with water nearly up to the Arctic Ocean, and then top off with vodka. This means that the globe inside is the same density as the liquid surrounding it, and so it rotates without touching the sides of the acrylic shell. And it has the great advantage now that there is no longer any visual boundary, because the globe is surrounded by just one liquid. So I think this improvement brings it closer to emulating the actual genuine article MOVA Globe. And here it is just gently rotating, and the motor inside has a magnet, and that's coupling with the Earth's magnetic field to give it purchase in order to rotate in an anti-clockwise direction.